Plug this in?
Yeah, let's do it. This is only one sheet of paper.
One. Where's the plug-in?
Right in the front.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, is it wireless?
Yes, it is. I teach high school, and we always tell them not to text in class. You good?
Yeah, we can get some stuff done.
Okay.
Maybe if you guys just pick a tempo, I'll make it work.
Okay. You ready?
Maybe.
The typewriter. Oh, do we
Hang on.
What do you need?
Yeah.
You need a tuning note?
See, you never use this stuff in these, Rob.
Oh, paper.
I know. It's
I've
weird.
seen that.
Yeah, well,
I used to write them.
Not anymore, Rob.
Not anymore.
Times are changing, huh?
Can I get an A?
It's so funny. It's actually
It's a little flat. We'll tune it. Are you good?
We're good.
Proposal to the Lincoln Civic Orchestra. I, Carey Collingham, humbly propose to oust current conductor Rob Salstein and take his place effective immediately.
Out of respect for the group only, I promise.
Proposal denied. Carey Collingham.